smiling. Stop!
Eva, it's morning. Kindergarten is waiting for us. Wake up!
No, I don't want. I want to sleep. No.
Alright guys, as usual, why does it happen every morning?
Daddy, give me 2 minutes.
Alright Eva, I'm gonna come back in 2 minutes. You should be ready. Eva, it's time. 2 minutes passed. Where are you? Huh? What? Where is Eva? Guys, help me. Tell me, where is Eva? Ah, little girl. Guys, where is Eva? Hey, little girl, I found you! Kindergarten's waiting. Stand
No,
up!
I don't want to go to the kindergarten. I don't want.
Yeah, but it's super bad behavior. Let's go brush your teeth and wash your face. Be ready in 2 minutes. I will come back.
Ready yet?
Yeah, but 2 minutes passed. I think you're ready. I know where is she. I know. You're here. Let's go to kindergarten. Let's go. Let's go.
Eva, breakfast is ready. Come here.
Yo, stop! Stop! What a bad girl, guys. Where is she? What the bad girl, guys? Where is she? Oh. Hey! Stop! Kindergarten is waiting for you! Stop! Let's change the rules of the game. They didn't know how to catch this little rabbit. I will use some cookies for that.
Cookies. Mom.
kindergarten.
No, I don't want. No. Oh, I don't want kindergarten.
Now it's time for kindergarten.
No.
Get in the car. Yeah, but that's normal. Kinder should go to the kindergarten.
Hey, open the door, Mom.
All right, Eva, you win. Stay at home. I will show you how it is.
Who wants to play with me? Nobody? Daddy, please. Can you play to me?
No, Eva, I'm working.
Mom, can you play to me, please?
No, Eva. I'm cooking.
I want to go to kindergarten.
Oh, Eva. Now you want to go to kindergarten because it's interesting. It's so boring to stay here in the room for a whole day, right? Guys, always go to kindergarten and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.